De-Broglie comment on Bohr theory. So here how De-Broglie supported the Bohr theory I will explain. For that, consider an electron revolving around the nucleus in circular orbit according to Bohr theory. For example, so electron revolving in a particular nth orbit, then radius is Rn, and if electron is revolving in a particular circular orbit, let Vn is the velocity of the electron in the nth orbit. Now, according to De-Broglie, if electron is revolving, means if electron is moving, so moving massive body, it should associate with a wave. Let lambda is the wavelength of De-Broglie. So now, to mix his concept in Bohr theory, he is assuming here that if electron completes one rotation, then it covers the entire distance 2 pi Rn. If electron in the nth orbit, the distance covered by the electron is 2 pi Rn. So now this 2 pi Rn must be equals to integral multiple of lambda. That is he is saying. So for a possible orbit, compulsory it should be equals to lambda or 2 lambda or 3 lambda and so on. The total circumference of the electron revolving around the nucleus compulsory it should be equals to integral multiple of lambda. So here only integral multiple of lambda orbits only possible, means according to Bohr theory just a finite set of electron means rotations only available, means orbits only available. So that he also supporting with his analysis. Now further, according to De-Broglie, the wavelength lambda equals to h by p momentum. So here p nothing but mass into velocity, so mvn, here vn is the velocity of the electron in the nth orbit. Now this De-Broglie wavelength expression, if you substitute in this equation, then 2 pi Rn equals to n into h by mvn. Now if you reshuffle this equation, then the right side mvn, if you shift to left side, then it will be mvn Rn, that is equals to n into h by 2 pi. So here mvn Rn nothing but angular momentum of the electron in the nth orbit. So it is equals to n into h by 2 pi. So here angular momentum value, it is integral multiple of h by 2 pi. So it is supporting the Bohr postulate. So according to Bohr postulate, angular momentum of the electron revolving around the nucleus quantized. So that is only the expression reflecting. So in this way De-Broglie supported the Bohr theory. Bohr unable to give the derivation, so De-Broglie with his hypothesis he derived the major postulate given by Bohr. Thank you.